Mary and I, along with Aaron, we were all, even the other adults, Bryce and Jermaine, we were all part of the Yuraq dance group in Fairbanks. So when I saw her today, I said, we got to do an Yuraq song. So we're going to do the Shishmaref song. Yes. And I'll ask Bryce to join us because that's where he's originally from.